Hey guys, this is the Camera Commando. This is another video I wanted to talk about one of the tool kits that I carry with me on the motorcycle. I usually have it with me either in the tool tube back here on my bike, or I carry it in my backpack. I always have something with me in case I have a breakdown, I need to adjust something on the road. This particular one's called the CRUZTOOLS SKDMX, as in Sierra Kilo Delta Mike X-Ray. Sierra, so it's a SKDMX Speed Kit Toolkit. Runs for $39.95 on Amazon, and the link is in the description down below. But it comes with a interchangeable screwdriver and multiple bits, 3 wrenches, 2 box in, and 4 open box. You've got the spark plug remover tool, a torque, like little Allen wrench kind of thing that you can use inside of here to give you more torque on your spark plugs, small vice grips, and a tire pressure gauge. You can add to this kit, you can put a couple of extra Allen wrenches or what have you. This one has some stars and whatnot. On the website, if you type in the type of motorcycle that you have, it'll outline which kit is best for you, and then you can order it specifically for your particular device. It comes with a case, a little zip case, and as you can see, this thing is pretty small. It's about the size of, I don't know, like a breakfast burrito or something. It's not that big. It goes easily. It doesn't weigh very much either. So I highly recommend carrying tools with you. In addition to this, maybe have like a Leatherman or a pocket knife to go with, and you should be good. Maybe a little tiny roll of electric tape, and you'll be set for the road. So, and an extra inner tube. Good luck and be careful out there, guys.